Hi Charlotte.
Hi Daddy.
Welcome to
Create a Crayon.
Today we're going to draw more Go Dog Go. Today we're going to draw a scene from the episode where Tag and Scooch help Gerald, the male dog, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what did we learn about Scooch? What does he drive?
A tractor with a chicken. From the farm.
From the farm, because he came from the farm and he's got a tractor with big wheels. So today that's what we're going to draw. Tag and Scooch riding on the tractor with a chicken horn. Awesome. Okay? Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready to draw?
Yes.
Let's go dog go! So we're going to start by drawing Tag and Scooch on Scooch's tractor, and they're driving down the street, okay? In Boston. We're going to start with the tractor wheel, okay, the big one.
Cute.
Okay, so if you look at my finger over here, this is where we're going to draw the tractor, okay? So we're going to do a circle as round as you can be, okay? Now that we have this big circle, let's draw a smaller one. Follow the big circle on the inside, okay? This is where... Okay, now we're going to draw the front wheel, okay? So the front wheel is smaller, and the distance, the space between the front wheel and the back wheel is two small wheels. So imagine there's a small wheel here, imagine there's a small wheel here, and then the third one is where we draw it. Okay, this is where the third wheel is. Now we're going to connect them with a straight line, and then we're going to draw the front of the tractor. So it's going to go from here up, and then up here we're gonna go back, and then there's a curve here. All right, so now we're gonna draw the cockpit where you sit. It's a quarter of a circle, and then we'll draw this steering wheel here, and then we'll leave that for now, okay? That's gonna be where Scooch is holding onto the steering wheel. And now, let's finish the details on the tractor here, okay? So we're gonna draw a little bit of the engine over here. I'm gonna go here, halfway in the middle, go across, and it'll curve down here, okay? And there's a circle here, and we have a couple of lines here, okay? That goes up, and then we're gonna double it up like a bubble letter, okay? Like a bubble letter, okay? Double up, good job. All right. We'll draw the chicken horn. So we do an oval like this. That's the body of the chicken, okay? And we'll draw a mouth. And then the eyes. One eye. And then I got some feather on the top. Let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. And
so they got smaller.
And there's also a tail feather on the back here. And then the wing, okay? So the wing is a oval. And now we're gonna draw the rest of the tractor, okay? So we have Scooch driving, right? So this is the seat of the tractor. So we're gonna do a oval here. That's where Tag is holding on to, okay? And then Scooch is in the front. So we're gonna draw Scooch's body here. So from here, we're gonna draw an oval, and then we're gonna draw his arm. He's driving, right? So
his arm.
His arm is short. He's the small dog with his short arm. And then there's a hand too. You need to leave space for the hand. So we're gonna draw his hand. He's got 4 fingers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then we'll draw his head, okay? So we're gonna make a U shape. U shape on the side here. U shape. And then we'll draw his mouth and his nose. So it's a straight line, and we're gonna curve up and go back. Keep on, go back, and stop there. Very good. And we'll draw his head. This is where his eyes are. Okay? That's his face. Yep. And then we'll have a helmet on top. Wearing his helmet, right? You always wear your helmet when you're driving a tractor, okay? And we'll draw his eyes. Very good. Eyes. And his nose. Here's his nose. Upside down triangle, right? So we're gonna draw.
A yellow dot.
And then we'll draw the helmet, the outline of the helmet, okay? So it comes out here, goes up and connects on top. And we'll draw his ear. So he always has one ear up and one ear down, right? So one ear is up, and then there's another ear that's down, right? So we'll draw another ear that's down here, okay? You're gonna be overlapping with the helmet. It's okay, we'll just trace it later, okay? All right, and then now we're gonna draw...
Tag!
Yeah, so we're gonna draw Tag, who's standing on the back. Well, that's the tractor has a stand on the back where she can stand. So let's draw the little footstep here where she's standing. It's a little rectangle, okay?
Yeah, kind of right there.
And then we'll draw her leg. So her leg is over here. Okay, watch. So from the top of the wheel, we're gonna draw her leg, okay? So on top of the square, we're gonna draw her leg, okay? So come down here, okay. It's blocked by the wheel. It's okay. It's supposed to be. So here's the back of her leg. Okay. So her leg is here. It's a little bit bent, right? She's not standing straight. And then we're gonna draw her body. Okay. So her body is up here. So we're gonna go up and then come down. Go up and then curve down. Okay. So this is where we're gonna draw her arm. Okay, so her arm, because she's holding onto the back of this chair. So her arm, let's do it elbow first. Paul is holding on. And we're gonna go up here, okay? And then this part comes back down and connects to the bottom. And now we're gonna draw her collar. Okay? And then you can draw the flag on it too, okay?
I know how to draw the flag.
Flagpole, and then the flag. Okay? Let's draw her face next, okay?
Yes! And then
So her face. So let's draw a little bit of neck here. Short neck. And then we're gonna draw the bottom mouth. So it's gonna go across and go up. And now we're gonna draw the top mouth, okay? The top part is here. So over here in the halfway in the middle, you're gonna draw this is the same shape, but a little bit higher. So watch, go higher. Watch where I stopped, okay? This is where her nose is. So we're gonna draw her nose. Okay? Triangle, upside down. Okay? And then that's gonna go back into her face. And then we'll go up for her head. All right, draw her head. And then her helmet. And then come back. Wait, stop here. Okay? We're stopping here because we're going to draw her ear, okay?
Alright.
We're stopping here, and then we're going to draw her ear. Her ear is right here. And then we're going to draw the rest of her helmet. So if you come out on this side, and then go up, and then way curvy to the front. Yes, and then we'll draw her eyes. Okay. Oh, we forgot her tail. Okay, she has a tail. It's like a banana-shaped tail. All right, and now we're gonna draw the background, the scene. Okay, so they're driving on the street. You wanna use a ruler? Use a ruler. So here.
Okay. Here.
So slowly go across. And let's draw one more line. And this one is the other side of the street, okay? It's gonna stop at the tractor, right? Behind the tractor. Keep going. And then come out on the other side. Good job. So I'm gonna do the same, okay? So I'm gonna use the ruler here. I'm gonna draw a house here.
That's the Scooch's house.
Yeah. So we're gonna draw a house here. So we'll start with the door, okay? Got a little window on there. And we have a circle and then a rectangle for the door, okay? So, and then next to that is a window. And then this is the roof. Draw a line here, and we'll draw the roof. And then there's a window on there too, okay?
That might be where Scooch's bedroom is.
Yeah, maybe. We don't know.
We want to go in Boston.
to see it. Exactly. Okay, we're gonna draw a tree that looks like the party tree. Okay, so we'll do this.
The party tree is nearby.
It looks like an umbrella almost, right? So we'll do the left and right branch. That's a big one. We'll do a big curve on top here. Okay, big curve. And then we're gonna draw the bottom of the tree. It looks like an umbrella, right? So it's got wavy line. And then we'll draw the branch here. And there's smaller branches. Smaller branches here. We're drawing a bunch of curvy Y shapes, okay? Then we'll connect this together. That's good. And then do one over here. Okay, it's a Y shape, right? So you do a Y. You know how to write a Y? The letter Y? There you go, good job. So this is how we're gonna draw this tree, okay?
Huge.
Because it's a closer tree. It looks bigger because it's closer. It's a trunk, okay? Bigger trunk. Trunk. Okay.
Trunk.
Here's the arm of here's the branch. And then the tree is like a big mushroom. So it's gonna go up. And then come back down. And then we're going to draw the bottom of the tree, the leaves here. So this is curvy. It's like an eggshell. So we're going to add some branches like the other tree. And then we're going to connect everything, okay? And these trees have a funny looking leaf. It looks like
a footprint.
It looks like a footprint, exactly like a dinosaur footprint. So how we draw this is this. Okay, watch.
I think I know how to draw it.
So we're gonna do a curve.
I know how to draw that.
And then on the bottom is 3 bumps. So the whole tree is covered in this, right? So we're gonna do a bunch of these. 1, 2, 3. Curve. 1, 2, 3. Curve. 1, 2, 3. Curve. 1, 2, 3. Curve, 1, 2, 3. Curve, 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna draw some bushes here. So do a rainbow.
Draw the bottom first.
And then we're gonna do the bottom. We're gonna do the top, rainbow, and then you connect with a wavy line here, okay? All right. Okay.
Are we done?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna color. So we need to trace first.